If you like watching dirt bike videos and watch the POVs, it never looks steep. It doesn't look like there's much there, but the videographer always tells you that it's much steeper than it looks. This video takes a look at that. This is side by side, the same hill, POV versus a videographer standing off to the side. The same view, the same ride. It's much steeper than it looks. This is from the top of the hill looking down. It doesn't look terribly steep, but here's me getting stuck.
The next time you watch a dirt bike POV video and you see a rider hesitating or struggling on a hill that doesn't look that steep, remember the steepness illusion. It's likely a visual deception, and the hill is steeper than it appears.
Okay, you can get on there.